Let's dig into the fifth principle of product-led growth, which is making purchasing feel like the natural next step. As I mentioned earlier, a great way to tackle this principle is with in-app notifications that encourage users to purchase at the right moments in their journey. With AI, product managers can get even smarter with these in-app messages. An AI tool can analyze usage data from your free products, as well as NPS, feedback, and past conversion data to identify right moments that you might not have flagged on your own. An advanced AI tool might even be able to automatically generate those in-app guides for you to review, edit, and set live. Similarly, AI and machine learning algorithms can analyze user behavior, company characteristics, and purchase patterns to generate personalized product and feature recommendations. This way, users are exposed to additional functionality that meets their specific needs, which increases their likelihood of purchasing. AI also has a role to play when it comes to pricing and packaging, which of course impacts purchasing decisions. Product managers can use AI to run more tests than ever before about which pricing, packaging, and coupons work best for their PLG motion. Similar to onboarding, AI's ability to quickly analyze massive amounts of data can fuel personalized and dynamic pricing based on a user's location, company size, and time of year, or other criteria. This is yet another example of how AI can fast-track experimentation, which is a key pillar of any product-led growth strategy. Finally, we'll examine the sixth PLG principle, building in virality at every turn. Rather than the more traditional purchasing funnel, PLG is built on the idea of viral growth loops, or what some refer to as the flywheel. Calendly, the meeting scheduling platform, is a great example of this. After a new user signs up for Calendly, they create a meeting scheduling link to share with invitees. Once the event is scheduled and someone accepts the meeting invite, the success page prompts them to sign up for Calendly and start using it for their own meeting scheduling needs. In this way, just by using the product, scheduling a meeting, users naturally share the product with their colleagues and peers. Similar to the other 5 principles, AI can help product managers analyze behavior data to identify when users are most likely to share the product in their current workflows. From there, you can leverage generative AI to generate any in-app content you'll use to prompt the user to share and collaborate. It's still up to you as the product manager to identify the innate virality of your product, but AI tools can help you get to the answers and implement virality tactics faster.